Until that says you could forward 20 papa Japan. Don't you say you could forward 20 Japan 2021 whenever I'm going to me. So what to be paid?
Or say, and fact one the same electricity and compass or take over. Now I year because of a fan who chim for no machine a Benny PDS.
Thank you.
I'm for my electricity. As a baumia for and a man on the backfire.
Your trade light bill. I'm a PD. Hey, my man, pardon the party station. We put me to Jim Bonnie Deep Bonnet at the expense of way. I say we it's a national security. Omusha what is happening? Way I pay 3.
Okay.
Economic and financial sector control.
Economic and financial sector control. Only do
yes. The economy and the financial system constitute the nerves of our country, of every country. Indeed, political power and economical control is extremely linked in such a way that any group that controls the economic might of a nation essentially controls its power, its political power.
What say?
Yes.
See, I can't on my bianchi,
yes,
and they can't quite. Your man see Cassam, I know a man she
yes,
that is the economy.
Yes.
Now, say a bushyabi, another kubia, or metimi, etimi abenya, or man see Cassam with you, Munche, yes, and man share palm with you, Munche, yes, or money de piano, okay, or much baby or man de uncle.
Thank you. At the same time, political power is virtually a condition or condition precedent to economic and financial power in our country, Africa as a whole.
What says Oba or my BMA?
Yes.
Or mine no a man yourself to me, and I yetiminya near the pet or mine sika, and also mine a dot dear. Now it's true. Sauba a big brim my mua. So sika, and the economic power there, the opposite be a bit my
shabu. And go for Mutribu. Kessie said, I'll lock you, said the no my idea and find some of your problems for Ghana.
Make me a CD to dollar.
Work calculated, rehearsed, planned. They are executing it. A dear dream power, the Bashab, the CC trim power with Macase, would not see Dinah say at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. And I'm a machine, maybe my back camera. Shall we be serious? It is dangerous. These people, we should never ever joke with them. Or say, our agenda for political dominance would hinge our financial might. We therefore need overwhelming control of the key economic growth pillars of Ghana.
Or say, yes, your book tire and I see any so set your bet me anya or mine a manukumu dibre ni tumino. A betina or mine sick as some bit murder. Yeah, your bet me afa. The sad way none more see to be prayer.
Hi. Such dominance will assure significant inflow of resources to finance our political blueprint.
Or say, see it to me, politically, see it to me, yes, can dominance there. A betting aboa ama amanyo semu to me be a pebiano. Ye me fi say, yes, cabri.
Again, control of key economic and financial sectors will give unparalleled leverage in the periods which may not have direct political authority.
Or say, yes, say, yet me a control key people flip. We can say, mining, yes, I say, mining, maybe I say energy, maybe finance, yes, say to me control these key things now. A bit me, amma, will be BI or near cooperate to me be a dipano or mayor cry because encore tier do me is cat and the council in any idea politics.
Hey, with economic power, we could manipulate the system to generate unfavorable economic situations enough to make any government of the day not directly under our control to become unpopular.
Or say, see it to me, any sika, the economic power, or my humor. Say, Nana, don't cook for an MPP cratting China, not saying this also. Or find this in your view. Fidesicano et al. Nanado from 2017 and because 2008 or bought short running no niska by Neuska. Then whoever become the president or Mutomo found wanted that says you could forward 20 papa Japan. Not want to say good forward 20 Japan says 2021 whenever I'm going to meet me. So what to be paid? If they are financially sound, they have a lot of resources. Still, they can be at home and will control the economy of Ghana. Nabio say MPP for the Rachi mafia, so many Wuska. That's a mama.
Yes.
And a president.
Yes.
Thank you.
The importance of a significantly large and stable financial firepower to finance the execution of political and economic control project cannot be overemphasized.
What say a team of poor say a betty man yesika adododie na basi ye ko amanyo semu pre na betumi sika de abo ho bradia enya de o se tutu ase kra
Shabu,
thank you.
Now page 10 phase 1 paragraph 1.2 tia. The first phase of the economic and financial control was to be implemented in Nana's first term of office. As we get closer to the end of the first term, we have to set the ball rolling regarding the objectives set out in our first document.
What say oman musika sem tumi nya na de ade ne ke say ye no na do ba ye na 2017 na ko say de ne ye ba ye ntima ye say si ana na do the second first e bana wie no I was here started prempren ya say be ya ye betimi awurule at 10.
Thank you. There have been difficulties, largely due to some pitfalls on our part.
What say say how name timato kakra bamu. But answer to ruling for the first time.
Thank you. Well, say, for example, the control of the electricity sector could have been handled better. That if not been for the greed of some of the non-Achim elite we had included as cover.
Sure. What say? In fact, one the same. Ka electricity and compass take over. Na anye year. Because of fan go nya Achim for no meshemu. Na be kaya ye kan I forward no or can say or see a selecting kofobi and be kan I will say a bit me. Na mama mfato e be ni PDS.
Thank you.
I'm for my ka electricity. Yes, a baumia unko for. And a ma ho de backfire.
You treat light bill. I'm a PDS. You may be on
you come on, you need yes, no second go through ya. Achim for come the control electricity.
Thank you.
Ne kasika chuchu dia kra and go to Rafamua. Masa.
This same area here, not Achim elite. Nipo mo kanasem. Ebo chejako. Mama Chow, I married you.
Yeah.
When John Dramani Mama married you, it was 510 million. MPP for say, Scano, your man. If they come to power, they are going to make sure say they are going to do renegotiation. Chabu, renegotiation, yeah, and Kasanko Fuenya's car quite to be around $650 million. Renegotiation of a married deal. Sanke Jitumua, Kagana. Nkaskan kufu ibenya is around $650 million. Okay, to better say anka hono ko mutumi manage yi and anka problem amma ho and anka mo di peche but o ma handle yi any ngofo bi so a ye kwafo mo se o mo ye nuanom a o mo nya achim fo ba mo ya krachefo na nka gitum a o mo fi eastern pan ya shanty pan se do mo nante no o mo so concrete problem de mai and next time ye kwa you obi a we should be extremely careful even if person onya achim ni kura na we should get someone
Tibo Koso make no control.
Thank you. Again, the way of some CSOs obtain vital information easily about the Ejapa project has resulted them wrong footings us and a bolding opposition to jump into the fray. We should, however, find some ingenious ways to overcome the opposition. Shaibu ha. Don't be so much change that say, okay, Japa.
Yeah. Ajapa.
Okay, Japa. When Japa.
I sometimes men I go through man not different yes papa.
Who me pan and complain by base you or Safuma Fuba.
Okay.
Look at the managing director for Ejapa. I was Safuma Fuba dini BP the amount. Ope Adebakwa Ghana among force stood against it and fought it. Ejapa deal.
It's a Ajapa royals something.
Ejapa royalties.
Yes, royalties, yeah.
Ejapa royalties. Ke go through Kenya e kanzam foforo. Akwa say Shebula sisi tede bia wo Kenyan sasem na afi MPP fo abehia wo. No bisa say Shebu dia na ope. Shebu bi kanje 10 million Ghana cedis fato. Na ebia ya ma oka ya ma wi. Shebu affairs obo your objective o kan kure no. Na Shebu kasem foforo. Wo obi a wa me a okasa pe. Thank you. Tisankade we go through Muni atembe 3,000 years. We don't care. Our ultimate responsibility, and as I see it, we don't care what Ghanaians will take. Chabu, was it challenges? Was it changes in the leadership of most supervisory institutions, particularly the central bank and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has allowed for other blueprints to be implemented. Tia, omo patch say, omo ye changes in the leadership of supervisory institutions. Ebi say Bank of Ghana,
the central bank.
Tia sabi Bank of Ghana. Na the Bank of Kufuor buy na papa defense. What if Addison. Oboni din.
Yeah.
Now if you look at where first deputy na be Afram.
Yeah.
And Obando mo fa ne nkam. But these two people.
Obando some say Kufuor.
Thank you. LCB.
Yeah.
If you look at these two people here, they take control of central bank. They are with us. They don't want to fight. So any decisions that they will take, it will go and benefit us. Security,
Security agencies.
Yes. And then Security and Exchange Commission. It's a new problem. Also, for example, the financial cleanup exercise successfully eliminated some banks with hostile ownership. The catch was say, some banks they had a motive. The motive was in line with Kufuor fashion and the NDC. Or more, you spell Muninano, I am Kufuor, they are in bed with the Kufuor. It do what makes it to me. Say they are in bed with the Kufuor. Sovereign Bank, GN Bank, they are in bed with already the J. Kufuor. Or mono, they had issues with them. Timmy they had issues with them. Your first NDC,
capital,
don't go more. And then Papa defense do for they have issues with them because every transaction of the NDC pay their checks passes through this kind of banks. For us to be able to mute them and limit them, you have to create problems for them.
Okay.
Tishabu, it do what makes it Data bank.
Okay.
Data bank financial services have been playing the role of transaction advisor in major government deals, while the enterprise group is the main insurer of government assets. Our international proxies are also playing their part in accordance with our broad objective. Ghana, another no can say, every financial transaction, it goes outside the jurisdiction of Ghana. International. NIPA, they consult them, they give advice. Hey, data bank.
Okay.
Data bank is one idea.
Idea. Can you follow that?
Thank you. You remember us? Oh, Shabula Sisi, the CEO for Solid TV. Shabla says you are promoting the Nico baby, but still you still control this area.
Yeah,
you control it from a distance, you control it from away, but still, we a major industrial player. It was Solid TV. And can you conflict of interest? Say the finance minister or not the bank and a technical advisor
and a Basia could schedule be passes through the data bank.
Thank you.
And then a company. So ensure you both say
thank you. So it tells you say, idea be a course biano. They know it. They have a primitive idea about it. They have understanding about it. And it's serious.
Okay. Mama in fact Rome Villa Estate Ebla. Abusha more one crime, Abusha more Ghana, Abusha more Sheme Ewa Manone. Rome Villa Estate and Cancha say, we are Ghana near Obobra, Ewa Ghana, now per se. Usifi. We are Ghana near Obobra, our Bruce. Now, to assassin, a Sifia, a room villa estate. Now, room villa estate in Sasson, a good anchor will be. Now, Sassy at Tina, I say, a tele. Now, Niggy Sam say, yeah, they are quite insuring Kanya at their boss, Sansa, ye drinks in a be. Now, assassin, Niboso that form. And there were a flexible terms of payment at the month. But between a we had the first payment your percentage will do 3 years. Then in den charge the plan amount. Then move 3 years. Now the asab for no started. A do Juma Pia Udi. And if you want to do an investment, invest in lands. Yes, invest in lands. Now lands is also invested so much. Just room villa estate. One on Sassy and our tour. Unyama subia obia koto asase akuwi the police station obia koto asase na akuwi the court obia koto asase na akuwi na himfie but room villa estate obi obetun insase bo say koto asase room villa estate no wanyama subia number na 0592 223386 0592 223386. If you want to buy a good land, just buy it from Ruben Villa Estate.
Shabu, or say the insertion of Kelly GVG into the telecommunication space and implementation of Unipass are the Ghana's key entry port and other notable success of phase 1.
Okay.
Minim so be kaya di we
Yeah.
Sanko fo we.
Yes, I say
Kelly GVG.
Kelly. And you know, I can't come with a ABC communication. And I go five. I said, $89
million.
I said,
I shall bless you. Among for Kwanya Bressa, we should go for the Minister for Communication. Yen Fanning Court, race on my way. This woman has been cleared by a Kufuan. But can I
because in maybe I didn't free by you. The moment was work.
What kind was it? The insertion of the
was it the insertion of Kelly GVG into the telecommunication space and the implementation of Unipass at Ghana's key entry ports are other notable successful of phase 1.
Thank you. Phase 1 is the first time of Akufo-Addo. The OTM Biano Kobo Kelly GVG on her date and a time be Diaba. And yet the second phase of Akufo-Addo,
$89 million.
$89 million.
I said,
I shall bless you.
Yeah, and she'll be a because born in idea and in Nepal, so we could this about thank you. They are clear.
What say? The digitization of payment processes through the implementation of Ghana Quick Response Code is progressing steadily and is getting impetus from the desired banks to entrench digital banking. In response of COVID-19, the Ajapa royalties, special purpose vehicle implementation have been slowed by COVID-19, but is one that must not be allowed to fail. Almost COVID-19 buying the processes I dey yank bit ma making sure say sir idea we offend a Japan royalties bit ma year adwuma yet 10 years career film no COVID na slow it down but they are telling omo say sir dey we ska wo say no matter say dey slow no COVID about a slow down they should have a nice way to execute this plan.
Hey na frankly I can GVG $89 million ashi
oh na me mo nchiro sisi ya na me mo nchiro Professor Mbochiro Kelly
Debut na yeti omanya sika sei etimi jira yeti didi agro na sika no hwim na ekọ na ya timi an trace sika no na president ba be clear then go from sika do mo wie go na masa wi
kan hay was
say
kan
dozie 89 million Kelly GVG deal. Sikana 89 million.
89 million US.
Not 20 million US. 89.
Yes. 89. And you see, Shabu Areho, where Franklin could you mean about Jimbe Kasai? Or say, payment of Kelly GVG, Communications Ministry engaged in theft. Esla became too powerful to a point. And listen to what Umar was saying. Kelly GVG made savings of 1.1 million weekly, says Esla. Adewe, don't take it to be a fiction. Don't joke with it. Adewe or why piano, they are doing it. Kakra. Me say, Shabu, do a book no, or try us yet. We go into it. And I'm actually Kelly GVG, 89 million. US dollars, what was in me? Insanity. Was say notable setbacks occurred in the power sector and civil society, and opposition entities were able to galvanize enough public opinion against the renegotiation and merit deal.
Or say
yes.
Notable setbacks occurred in the power sector. As civil society and the opposition NDC were able to galvanize enough public opinion against the renegotiation Ameri deal and the Power Distribution Service (PDS) takeover of the Electricity Company of Ghana. Was it the takeover of Kotoka International Airport by the use of management agreement is also one that is facing a considerable headwind.
Shabu,
Franco.
I want to or say renegotiated a marriage deal by Parliament. The executive director of ASAP, Bernard Boache, want to reject the renegotiation a marriage deal. Government on Thursday laid a fresh bill before Parliament to amend the contribution of a marriage deal. Shabu, a marriage deal. Nanka MPP force said they want to take it from a year, 5 years, to almost 10 years.
10 years.
We are going to pay a triple
of the Mahama Kwabai.
This is Ghana from Shabu. It will make us a marriage deal. 1 year is aqua. Motive. Yes, a marriage deal. And it tells you, sir, we have a problem, we have to deal with the problem. Shabu. The NPP, okay, let me not say the NPP. Now the Kufuado and the yes, they were going to benefit. Where new America and an embarrassment to Akufuado. Shabu 510 million. They say a pejaya where they wanted to go for 15 years. No can say 10 years.
15 years.
7 almost say every year they are to 72 million. $72 million. Yes, multiply by 15 years. I'm just saying, I'm for the Google. And then I'm for started. What say? Said a man for Sikasa de Far, who a year did the far. Now, my married to the crap on the
say, I said opposition NDC. Yes, governor, say, or man support. Thank you. I'm a kick again.
Nipo, you are more watch Jaco. When Boy Jaco said, say, almost I married the renegotiation on a year. Akufo-Addo was very smart, or say he has been misled. Okay. That time, Nipo issue executive power and executive order was the press secretary to the I don't know the executive secretary to the president. So president and cabinet at that material moment. There is a lot of powers residing to the president. Nipo trust our letter no, and the more money a lawyer as I did here too. Akufo-Addo is also a lawyer, but they are not thinking about the interest of Ghanaians. Skombenya 72 million multiplied by 15. Skombenya one of 1K. Observe come out for need the people Krumare Saromana Shabu and Komevi PDS sign will be what PDS may seem conform to this kind of will be any by your so it tells you there is a problem. What say the takeover of Kotoka International Airport by the use of management agreement is also one that is facing considerable headwinds for workers. Some conform with him so Kaya. Oh, why is airport to assist security. Airport where I say, linear a grand scheme of humidity. Grand scheme of humidity. And it tells you this is the mindset of the people. Shabu, was it the lessons learned from this must guide our execution? Tia, you must run woman. I say to me, God, to me, coach you.
PDS now. And go through.
Thank you.
A Japan Royal, so and go through.
Thank you.
And electricity until a near might be an uncle or so almost.
Thank you.
Not the next time, by being better to be an omitment.
Why the teacher must say economic and financial sector agenda. These are vital assets that we must pursue in phase 2.
Yeah.
Our media and public relations must strategize to control the public discourse to ensure successful acquisition of this asset. And no, and now could you upon Kroma or make my dictative weak at the SA. Say these are vital assets we must pursue in phase 2. Our media and the public relations wing. Our media and public relation wings. Public relation that was communication directors.
So could you upon corner of friends and Jeffrey will be an dictated when you we thank you when discuss we
must strategize to control the public discourse to ensure a successful acquisition of this asset. ATM can once. You be in ye. You never buy was near 12 years. You told me another person you be a year. Who did you want to say? Eish, 1.3 phase 2. This stage is scheduled to commence from January 2021. Hey, no man, who pardon the party say, the party trust Jim Bonnie, deep bonnet at the expense of way. I say we it's a national security. What is happening?
Someone saying this for until
was it?
Yago show. Someone saying this for Yago.
They say, I deal with Obi be a wood team, be a Ghana near. Some persons had you with the Bama, we have to change government. Yeah. I'm telling you. Some persons had you with the Bama.
Say, Crassa Japan document, or said somebody, whoever can be, I was a Ghana for a petition. I did Japan document, or to Saban Kunin.
So massa.
Now set a public inquiry into a Japanese document. Yet, poor mom, and a baby of my executive and a young coach, Giscano, and make my home.
This stage is scheduled to commence from January 2021, given the high livelihood of Ghanaians, giving another term to govern the country.
How is another? Say Ghana for a 2 baby pre-mano, 2021. I honor a baby implemented at the second phase.
Yes. Or say, this phase will consolidate the gains made in banking, insurance, and capital markets, financial sector. It will also see to the taking of significant stakes in mining, oil, gas, telecommunication, as well as marine aviation. The area of general manufacturing and commerce, which was not part of phase 1, has been introduced here. The phase 1, now among 5 manufacturing and commerce and but once I no, it's banking, you be banking cleanup exercise. Insurance, a Japan royalties will be bam. Capital markets, we are going to make sure so we control and dictate the tempo of our financial area. Shabu, say banking, insurance, and capital markets sector control of this vital area will need to be expanded from a tier 2 system to a tier 3 system. What a pain, Obete. Yes, I and a pension for Sikabi, but it's tier 1, tier 2. Who can say?
I see it. It's tier 2 for.
But tier 1, tier 2. And let's kind of crack or baby. What kinds of man or mammy? Your friend say, former chief of staff, I say, Chief Justice. So far. Was so did he see Kakwa? So fire. Oh, Kwakunyamisha. Was so did he see Kakwa to insurance companies? Okay. What I come out buying for bond.
And haircut. Continuity.
Manu pay me to lose.
People here, Juma, Baba, a buy a jar for in a penny. The hiccup at Tia was a dash of Kwame.
And the Kufado. And I judges are court. What we pay? What we pay?
I'm a chief justice demonstration.
Tea. And the Kufado. And I judges.
Court.
Judges are no more Maranadom Kukuno. Some judges now say court. Mean to be the history of
and Omukoko secure injunctions. The same poor injunction will cry a year. The almost somewhere.
Dishabu. Sana wants them to say. The strategies to be deployed in such subsectors will be along with the lines of the mother, biological, and adopted children. It will be direct control, indirect control, the mother. Shabu, further here. Banking, page 5.
Okay.
We are then at the moment. Because I want to say, so banking, control of the mother is essential to the control in the industry. So far, the head of the mother and his first deputy are strongly aligned to our cause. See a casa mother, yes, a Bank of Ghana.
Mother Bank of Ghana.
Ghana, Bank Bank of Ghana, say. Ghana's Kenya Bank of Ghana for you. Only a supervisory unit. And just so could be a banger. Yes, that's what means minimum capital of this. It's what means say, so to me say. Now, for them to play it safe, almost say, or more barber yard, then more barber yellow. They are going to make sure that Ghana banks in young world don't be so job on us. So, I can't say, oh, you clean up exercise. And 25 billion Ghana cedis. So, I can't say, oh, revamp, and say, bank and order. Obviously, Casaway Bassa. My mom's car would be a so much saying, one day, at me outrun it. Thank you. And not a 4 billion Ghana cedis. But before we prefer to go for the 25 billion. A woman and I will explain to you. Okay. Shabu. Mama say,
Ukum Nipana, Wabaka 25 billion.
Yes.
Oh, man and Quan, a 4 billion.
Yes. Thank you. 4 billion. Workers are here in Mother's War. Unemployment rate in Kosovo. The Bia Kama. But we will prefer, you prefer for 25 billion. Yes, at the expense of this. Now, Shabu.
Uncle.
Shadiano. Mama say, Diadikai. If you look at boss now, boss now, Kasano. Obia, Bank of Ghana commissioner, the person is in bed with them, is aligned to them. Okay. They are tossing you. If you look at first deputy now, first deputy is only on my yard, or the first deputy in the ABPR. But if you look at the second deputy is not in bed with them. Okay. Second deputy won't come, and we are doing my favor. I'm say They are from our compound. Say can be from your compound.
Yes, omani atie. Omo etrabre.
Thank you. And you have say tie. BBC make maka say Austin is in our compound. Meaning say any Austin the court na ekra na. Ade bia ye no fie ha bia. Adwemi e be bo no po bia be bo say papa say boni Austin. Ti say who say Austin na kwose ba bia. We should not be afraid because Austin will push for our agenda.
Yeah.
Shabu. I say and we perceive no threat from these two.
Like somebody yensuru.
Nipa no governor. Any first deputy governor. Omo ye nkrofo. There's no need, say so, to be a gender advocate or your bar, and also not a source of discomfort.
Yeah.
In this way, there is no need for changes in those places.
There's
no need. It is how far noted that the head is likely to reach a retirement age before the end of phase 2.
Say head no enche obeko anahomijim ansana phase 2 no.
And Addison enche obeko anahomijim ansa phase 2 na so. In that situation, the first deputy will have to be supported to take over.
I said the Udinichi na be the China say you hear ni paper no or take over as the governor of Bank of Ghana.
Replacement of the first deputy in such circumstances will not be by promoting the second deputy in the role of the first.
Until they say basana say kasi problem no first deputy speaker the first deputy na anya automatically say cover the second deputy because no on kan.
Thank you. And the other person much say in every corporate settings Shabula Sisi is the CEO, Papaya is the director general. Papaya knew what you have to take over. Franco your first deputy in terms of corporate settings SSA name of Sydney Bayer man you want kind of plans in Untino. We will bypass it.
Now for be Austin about place you.
They are not quite more do her. Oh yes, Nabotre. Omo do her. Or say in that situation the first deputy okay. Rather or say the second deputy into the role of the first. Rather, a strong Bawumia loyalist should be appointed to the role to further strengthen the Bawumia political cause.
I said, "Poor Bia also no. When the Bawumia na krana near promotion also be second deputy.
Yes,
said the Baya also be team about no babe play Bawumia agenda.
Thank you. And it's a Pobia manaba. And say ye Pobia, I say or ye Obia, or ne Bawumia
na krana.
The assembly be. The opposite what say Addison.
Addison.
And check na second term be corner we na retirement age aka catch. Nti be Johannes wonko. So okwa first deputy no e say you push him adene ko.
Ko no ehun okay.
Yes. Do your second deputy ni do your ba. On kan
on kufo ni bia.
Enti emfa wo so be ba akofo obi a oye Bawumia loyalist or oye a clerk.
Yeah.
Bank of Ghana to push the person to even become the first deputy.
Only the computer is Ankumayren. And information man you say a political appointment.
A political appointment.
Okay. And that was share the near my egg corner.
Yes.
And like MP Victor MP Lushomba or my one nephew. And to and also we're second deputy speaker at the second deputy in Swa. That's a Jao Koya.
Yes.
We see career name.
Thank you.
And I understand as a governor.
Yes.
See Jao Koya $3 million. Okonko Jessica
$3 million.
$3 million.
Muslim Muniska. That were Kufuad was sorry in Ukraine. Eko Zelensky was a quacope a friends agriculture equipment in Bagana.
But on himself, Nisa is Ankumayro was it among Koyano say also health years. But sir Omokoy Omayano it because say some credit answer first deputy, second deputy, and a governor, a political appointment. Yes. Bit my son. But yeah, so any of the heads there and yet political.
Yes. There's almost a strong Bawumia loyalist to take over as a second deputy, the first deputy.
Yeah.
This is in line with protecting the legacy of Rana.
Okay.
Protecting the legacy of Akufo-Addo could enable us to step aside and further alienate the Akufo fashion.
So I say, you free more.
Yes.
You bet him out now. Nakufo.
Yes.
Yeah, you must from Kakra.
Thank you. And you know, Kofo and a GN bank, and a sovereign bank, and it's very simple. Just Uncle that's what system no Anytime you are going for even internal elections, Kofoa can call them and say, Shabula Sisi is on our ticket. Over. Nobody is coming from any campaign. See, and to play is safe. I didn't know young bank, young kitty problem more. Even if Kofoa call for the Krakoa, Unyakapre, because the bank say, and a good can as I say, you are in power in opposition. Your party is in power, but who individual you are in opposition. It was say Kase alienator. It means they want to isolate Kofoa fashion. Yeah. Kofoa fashion will not be relevant in the banking sector. So they have a plan. Shabu, these are banks in which we could have controlling interest. The collapse of the local bank with ties to the opposition NDC and other rival political factions during the cleanup operations undertaken by the mother was a resounding success. Almost say, we have banks there, Wahana. The local banks that are in bed with the NDC. Quite a fast of good would be idea and that's a chat and a toya. Get it kind. Because okay, so what catch say the command good banks now a time will come. Yes, Kadia Bacheka Ghana for me because we see cash say thank you. Mugu say consolidated bank. Thank you. After month we the second. Thank you. My son bet someone. But my year Ghana for GD say so command good bank now. Na abana Medigan Foka a time bank good so music can now if you look at the NDC banks now, Heritage Bank, Unibank, and that's a big capital. Do you know why? Debbie, you see every financial transactions and you have BI for NDC, but be an effort by Heritage Bank. Yeah, but be an effort Casepa into Puli. It was passing through Heritage Bank. Just knew them. Said we are going to the coffee, see, collapse the bank. Now, Unibank, as some of course, so I can't go into. But ask yourself, I didn't get to be governor of Bank of Ghana. I've been Minister of Finance. I'm at the bank that get 3 continuous awards. Now it's a bank. Yeah, they pay good. You're good. So, Tishabu. Now, almost say, it facilitated the flow of substantial financial resources into our war fund through the backflow of some of the advertised cleanup costs. And let me take you back. Say, Bank of Ghana. Okay. So, Mokaso Omuye cleanup exercise 25 billion Ghana cedis. So, Mokaso Omuye revamper 4 billion. Sa 25 billion. And you clean up exercise. 25 billion. Fund be a friend the war fund. The war fund is going to be used. Say Adia, it is going to help them in their battle. Nina is Kasem. And you made my Baba Chaba catches ye go banks near Boka 25 billion. A be 20 billion. A crumple at the war fund, we have no idea. Financially, they are strong, and it is here. Shall I say the NDC has been poor incoherently and consistently demanding detailed accountability and audit of the funds spent. And this for the PR say yes. Momentarily, your Korean face of Mansi Cassell. Yes. The kind of quiet fast so use can. Yes. But what part I say? And this for no. I didn't want to see a catchy food or more general. Or more banking sector, and this for a moon tiasi. And this uncommodity, I didn't say, the revamp was more important than the cleanup exercise. Yeah. And secondly, because of Musu and Tiadina Sintino, they are not calling for forensic audit. Thank you, Shaibu. So they are what you are saying. I cross out the classroom. Now, more exams. Oh, failure. Danger is our pass. And every private marking kind financial sector, they bend your bay. Or price and this in conform so good parliament, also my bay finance near you for no, they know nothing. And Comania Branca is a kit me audit. They have forensic audit can't be ambassador. I'm going to say no, NDC for they have problems. Now, Shabu, the process further led to the establishment of Consolidated Bank, CBG, currently wholly owned government of Ghana Bank, and our proxies are well placed to take total control interest when the bank is eventually returned to the private ownership. Now, your case of proxies, it is an authority. Do you how say the CBG, but it will get to a time. They will give it to private people because some mama say about the banks and the home. And the mama one pine one way. Mamma, and so on one pine on yes, or man way there. The M and go forward, make MP people. You go forward. they know key people they have to give them. So bank na buy the it will return back to a private person. They will get there. Some phone will come and take over. If they take over, you see what will happen. So,
Uncle.
Ghana Amalgamated Trust GAT received 800 million from the government to ensure that ADB, Prudential Bank, Universal Merchant Bank, NIB, Omni BSI Bank were able to meet the minimum capital requirements set out by the Bank of Ghana. Shabu,
Uncle.
your Casa Ghana Amalgamated Trust. Way a fund be an access cabia. Yet the Emma Ghanaian indigenous banks if they are into problems.